Come here. It's okay. What? Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. Thank you. This is Molly. She's so cute. She's about 4 months old. And she poops outside my door. Almost every single day. You're wondering why? I have no idea. But she's so cute. Ah. Probably messed up my makeup, but that's okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and I am very, very excited for this one. I don't know about you, but I'm actually a really big Lululemon obsession fanatic. Like, this is Lululemon, my pants are Lululemon, most of the times I'm wearing a bow scrunchie that is Lululemon. I have a problem. It needs to be fixed. No, it doesn't. But Lululemon last week just released their self-care line, which includes moisturizer, dry shampoo, a lip balm, and what was the final one? And deodorant. There we go. And I got it in the mail. So I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing, but also on a day when I'm going to go work out to kind of see and test out some of the products. But since this just came in the mail and I just got home from work, and so I changed into my fancier clothes and we're gonna open this up. But first things first, before we get into this video, if you don't know who I am, my name is K-Lyn and I would love it if you would like, comment, and smash that subscribe button for more videos. Follow me on Instagram, which will show up somewhere around the video right now. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So can we first discuss the box it came in? Like, as you can see, there is the little bottle imprints and has the Lululemon Athletica logo on it. Like, when this came into the mail, my dad was like, I know this package is for you because of what it looks like on the box. So I already sliced it open and we're just going to pop into here. Oh, this is so cool. This is really nice. I really like this. So first off, you get on the inside, this is, did you just work out? Ask no one ever again. And then on the inside, as you can see, it's not just the product. It actually comes in a fancy nylon bag. So these are where the products are in. So it's just a nylon zippered toiletries bag, but on the back they say self-care all over it. And there's also the little tiny Lululemon emblems on it. And then there's the classic red tag, and it's red on the inside. So when I made my purchase, I actually purchased 3 of the products. So I purchased the air spray deodorant, the dry shampoo, and the moisturizer, all in travel sizes, just because I wanted to see how they worked first off. So this guy right here is the anti-stink deodorant, and this is what it looks like right here. And I also got the deodorant aloe lotus smell to it. There's also another, I believe it's a sandalwood scent to it. But what really got me about these was that I kind of looked at them and instead of buying them immediately being like, it's Lululemon, I'll do it. It's, this deodorant actually has no aluminum in it. If you don't know already, I am osmophobic, so certain smells do trigger migraines for me, or lighting and other things. So I like to keep myself clean, but also deodorant has been this one-off and antiperspirant where the smell is just overwhelming and it's always on me, so then that creates a migraine. So I just make sure that I smell really good most days and I don't wear deodorant. Sorry. So the travel size deodorant is actually 2.4 fluid ounces or 72 milliliters. You just see on the bottom it actually says sweat once a day, which is really cool, I think. And so it's actually just in an aerosol can. Have to shake it up. I'm just going to do a quick scent test with this. That did absolutely nothing. So the smell is actually pretty light. It's definitely a little bit on the floral side, which so it's definitely a little bit more, it's more feminine. It smells pretty good. So far, so good on that guy. I'm actually really excited to see how this goes, so probably what will happen is that I will put it on throughout the day, and then I'm also going to check in on it and see how it smells after my workout and before our workout. So next in this little loot bag, I have the No Show Dry Shampoo, which the scent is Argan and Lotus. And so I'll just... And so this guy as well is 2.4 fluid ounces and 72 milliliters. I actually really love dry shampoo. I don't wash my hair every single day just because I find that it builds up the oil. When I was on my YWAM trip back in 2017, almost 2 years ago, every single girl probably had a massive can of dry shampoo in their Outrage pack, which is pretty, because you don't shower very much on Outreach depending on where you are, and you don't necessarily wash your hair. You choose your body parts over your hair most days. And so I definitely have a preference on dry shampoo. Sometimes I am really like almost the grittiness of some dry shampoos and also the smell of it. I like, because usually on my second day of hair, I'm already put my hair up in a ponytail, as you can see. But as well as that, this dry shampoo with a little bit of grittiness gives me a bit of volume. And then as well, there is that white cast, but it doesn't necessarily bother me too much because I kind of have this routine to make sure that I don't have any white cast on the top of my head. And we're just gonna have a smell of this guy. It smells interesting, I should say. Like, not so much florally, but more, I don't know, my first thought was fresh celery. I don't know, we'll have to see on that one. And hopefully, depending on the consistency of the dry shampoo as well. I'm very excited to see how this dry shampoo holds up compared to some of the other stuff I use. Some of my favorite dry shampoos I use are Not Your Mother's, and it's either the green bottle, which is the super clean, or the blue, which is texturizing. There's also the purple, which is volumizing, but I don't necessarily like the smell of that one. At Sephora, I currently really like the IGK Direct Flight. There's like, they have 3 different levels, and it's like the most absorbed oil one, and I like it because the smell is great, but also has that grittiness, and then it really gives me really nice volume when I do my ponytails. And so the last guy in here is actually the Moisturizer, which comes in this cute little 2 packages, I should say, which is really nice. There's also all the little self-care stuff right here. Ooh, very pretty, very pretty. This guy off, I just see that you just kind of pull it up. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. So it's that same red and white. But this is what I've been really excited about with the moisturizer, but is the anti-lock lid. And so it's called the Sweat Reset Face Moisturizer. This guy has 0.9 fluid ounces and 28 milliliters. And so it says, after cleansing, apply to face and neck, use daily, morning, night, and after your workout. And then it was created consciously, blending natural ingredients and safe synthetics in formulas designed to solve sweaty problems. And so first things first, I really like the consistency. It's almost this gel kind of type, less lotion almost. And that anti-lock pump is very nice, I should say. The smell of this moisturizer is actually on the little bit of the citrusy side, but it's really light, which I really do enjoy. It's kind of like an orangey lemony. And just rubbing this in, oh my goodness, the back of my hand is so soft. That is actually very nice. I should say I'm really excited about this bag because it's a lot bigger, and so you can probably put more in here, and so I'm hoping this could be my new travel makeup bag. Hopefully. So since this is in the evening, I'm actually going to try these out on another day, possibly tomorrow, possibly Thursday on my day off, just to kind of see how they go. I will be planning to do a workout in it, either high intensity, so maybe boxing or CrossFit, possibly, or boot camp, depending on how I'm feeling on my day off to go work out. And I'm going to be taking you along for the ride to kind of get my first impressions and throughout the day kind of thing. So I said I was going to do vlog style, but this morning got a little crazy with work and I had to jump into the office real quick and then walk over to boxing. So I didn't get actually kind of vlog, but I'm back. I am showered. I didn't wash my hair. I did wash my face and my body because I've been boxing about 10 months and I was really sweaty. It's kind of gross. So I'm actually, since I just washed my face in the shower, I'm actually going to use the Sweat Reset Face Moisturizer first because my skin is feeling a little tight. This feels very luxurious on my face. I love the smell of this face moisturizer because it's almost like, the best way I could think about it or describe it is like fancy hotel shampoo and conditioner. Like it's a little citrusy, but like not tropical, but it's like lemony and orangey. Okay, now onto the anti-stink deodorant, but it's an aerosol can, and I don't use aerosol cans for deodorants. So I'm just gonna stick this up. This is gonna be awkward on screen. It smells really good though, almost like, because I have the aloe and lotus, so this smells a bit on the floral side, but also a little bit on the fruity side. And now to the last part, my hair. And I'm gonna have to take it out of the bun. So usually when I sweat, it mostly is on my forehead and on the back of my neck. So I'm going to do the back of my neck first while my ponytail is up, and then I'm going to kind of go around and spot check. Oh, this does not smell good. Something I noticed right away is that it's not gritty, which is, if you don't like gritty dry shampoo, that's really fine. I think you might like this. I prefer the powder white cast dry shampoo. It's a little bit gritty, but then I know that my hair has like soaks up all the oil and also the sweat. Ooh. Oh, my hair is so long too. I need a haircut at some point. I need to trim it. Let's do this guy. Since I gravitate towards the grittier dry shampoos, I feel like I don't need as much product just because right from the get-go it's like, boom, soaks it up, all done. But since this doesn't have the grittiness, it keeps my hair a little bit soft, but it also still feels like really sweaty. And I feel like, even though I just got the travel size one, I feel like I've used half of it, so I don't really like that. And the smell is really, really weird. So there's a little bit of a white cast on here. I can see around more of my baby hairs, if you can tell. But down in the back of my neck, it's still really sweaty. And most of the time, I just use the dry shampoo around my face and up here so it doesn't look super greasy and flat. So, hair is done. As you can see, I'm wearing the Lululemon bow scrunchie because I love these scrunchies so much. And yeah, I think I'll be planning to do another workout today at VO2 Max, possibly a boot camp class, just to see how it compares and how my hair holds up throughout the day, if it's still feeling sweaty and greasy and such. But as for the deodorant, it smells pretty good. It's leaving a nice feeling underneath my armpits, but I'm not liking the dry shampoo, but I really do like the face moisturizer. This might be a new favorite. Alright, I'll check in with you guys soon. Okay, it is currently 4:35. And I have, since the last time I showered, I put in the dry shampoo. I went to the mall with my sister and her aide to look for work clothes. Did not find very much, not very successful. But update, I am going to VO2 Max, or the gym I should say, for boot camp. And so update on my hair, it's actually really nice. It doesn't feel oily or anything like that. A little different because there's not that grittiness of the dry shampoo. The back of my head I didn't put enough on because it still feels a little sweaty and gross. but it actually kept pretty nice. My mom said that there's a little, my mom noticed that there's a little bit of a white cast kind of thing. It was a little bit of a sheen, but that is okay. As for the moisturizer, my skin actually feels very soft still, and it's been really nice. And the deodorant smells really good. It's not super overly fragrant actually, which I've actually really enjoyed and has kept up throughout the day. So I will update you possibly next time. Hello. Hey. So it's currently 9:30. I am showered today, went a little bit crazy. I did do boot camp / CrossFit at one of the gyms that I've been going to since November. And I don't normally do 2 workouts in a day. I don't even do 1 workout in a day. I try to go at least 3 to 4 times a week. That is my record. But there's a boxing studio in town, and I did boxing when I was in university, so I was trying it out because they have an all-women's class on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and since I had a day off today, which is Thursday, I was able to check it out and meet some of the ladies. And then this evening I went to my regular boot camp classes at 5:30 or 6:30. And then right when I finished, one of my friends asked, "Do you want to go to the pool?" And I was like, yes, hot tub, sounds amazing. So wrapping up my final thoughts, Lululemon actually did a pretty good job with this self-care line. I absolutely love the moisturizer. It's kept my skin feeling pretty soft. The consistency is really nice. I almost think the consistency is very similar to Drunk Elephant's polypeptide cream. It's a little bit on that consistency of the side. The deodorant didn't last through the workout, but of course I knew that was going to happen because I do sweat a lot and I do get really stinky. But what I really liked about it was that it wasn't overly fragrant, and like I couldn't smell it on myself unless I specifically like smelt my armpit. However, the dry shampoo, I will say that it did its job. It actually made my hair look very clean on the top. However, I did have to use a lot of the product to get that feeling. And I would compare this dry shampoo to actually Bumble and Bumble Petite and Pret, just because the feeling is the same. Like it makes you feel like you have clean hair, not exactly like you put dry shampoo in it. But I definitely like the grittiness of some dry shampoo. So if you like the Bumble and Bumble kind of style, and if you just do it to kind of spritz up after a workout, I think that works out pretty well. I'm going to go to sleep. I am very tired. I can't believe how tired I am. But thank you so much for watching. Like I said at the beginning of this video, please like, comment, and smash that subscribe button for more videos of this beautiful face. Most of the time there's makeup on it, and most of the time there's no zits right in between my eyebrows. If you enjoy these skincare reviews, please check out my last video, which I did the Athea skincare, and I took one of their bundles and tried it out over a span of 3 months to see how my skin reacted to it. And please follow me on Instagram. That's where you'll see most of my weird thoughts, pretty adorable puppy, and mostly me drinking tea. And please don't forget to share this with a friend or two. I have a goal of getting to 100 subscribers, so maybe if you share this with a friend, they subscribe, we can grow this family, and I can create more content for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and see you later.